Hello Udoers, welcome back to our OdooTechnical session. Myself Dipanshu from Devintelle Consulting Service Private Limited. So in this video, we are going to watch how to use rec name attribute in Odoo. So don't waste the time and let's start now. So first of all, I will tell you what is the rec name in Odoo. So in Odoo, a rec name is a special class attribute used to define which field will be shown as the display name for a recording drop-downs, home view titles, in the search result, or any other relational fields like many to one, many to many, etc. So by default, Odoo uses the name field to represent the record. But if your model doesn't have a name field or you want to show the another field as a display name, then you can define the rec name attribute in your model. So let's understand it by the step by step. So here you can see this is the mol menu of the mol.mol object, and now when we create a new record, suppose here I add a central mode and here I save this record. So here you can see record shows the name field as a display name, and now I go into the soap menu of mon.soap object, and here I create the new soap. Here you can see this is the many to one field of mol.mol object, and into the drop down here you can see it shows the name field as a display name. So now we can change the name field as a display name, and we can set the another field by using the rec name attribute in the Odoo. So here we go into the py file of the mol.mol object, and I said rec underscore name is equal to number field. You can set any other field into the rec name attribute. Into the mol.mol object I already have a number field. So here I write number, and I will start the server and upgrade the module and refresh this page. So now I create the new record kgf mol. So when I save this record, so here you can see record shows the number field as a display name, and now I go into the soap menu, try to create the new record. So this is the many to one field of mol.mol object, you already know, and into the drop down it shows the number field as a display name. So because we set number field into the rec name attribute, here into the drop down it shows the number field. This is how you can use a rec name attribute in Odoo.
If you have any doubts, questions, so let's write into the comment section. We will try to solve your doubts. Thank you for watching our video. Let's meet into the next session.